Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to share a new product with you. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of things, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Today's video is for all my yogis out there. If you are into yoga, Pilates, barefoot workouts, this product is for you. It is socks by a company called Tucketts. This is what one of them basically looks like. For men, they have just a few options. For women, they have a ton of options, different sizes. You can get basically anklets, you can get them full knee-high socks, leg warmers, etc. So I'll include a link below to where you can find out more information on Tucketts, and you can check them out. But why I like these. So I do yoga. It helps with stress, and I'd like to give a shout out to Adrienne with Yoga, because that is who I love to watch. If you haven't seen her videos on YouTube, you should check them out. I practice a lot at my home, and where these socks are great is they have a rubber grip here at the bottom, which help with traction, keep from sliding around on my mat, hit on the floor, but they're also open toe. So this is where the barefoot comes in. So if you do any of the barefoot workouts, as you can see here, you still get that barefoot feeling. However, you get the grip of the sock, and it's, to me, if you're practicing in a yoga studio, it's a lot more clean instead of just walking around barefoot, but that's just me. So let's talk about the sock here. You can see it's got, like I just said, it's got the rubbery grips, which is great for the yoga mats or the floor. So you know which foot it goes on. They kind of engrave here in the very corner, I don't know if you can see that, an L or an R, so you know which foot. It has great arch support here in the middle, which helps, when you're working out. And they're super soft, super comfortable. The Tucketts themselves, it's a small company, and they care about the environment. So the socks are 100% cotton. They care about their carbon footprint and pollution in the world. So, I'll include more. If you check out their website, they'll go a lot in details with that. But like any old pair of socks, real easy to put on. You just kind of slide them on, and then make sure your big toe is in the one spot. Your other toes are in the other. So I mean, pretty straightforward. So that's basically it. So next time, if you would like to do, like I said, yoga, Pilates, any type of barefoot workout, you really should check these out. They're super comfortable, and in the meantime, I will place, like I said, a link below on how you can buy them, or check out other reviews, see if they're right for you. Upgrade your workout with some comfort, and so you stop sliding around. So that's it. If you like the video, please comment below. If you have any questions or anything, I do respond, and do check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.